Welcome back. Welcome back to Trading Maze. Today is 30th of March. We just had news. I just missed it, but let's get into the charts. Let me share you my. Yep. There we go. Uh, One selling I want to do. Let's do a selling here. This is a 1 hour get candle anywhere. So एक selling scalp उठाते हैं जल्दी से. Uh, yep. ये वाला selling है. Sorry, 455 4 554.5 यहाँ से उठा सकते हो. लो रिस्क है. लो रिस्क है. अगर चला गया तो चला गया. Let me tell you where the sell is. 55 पिप्स का कुछ एसएल है तो रिस्क भी हो सकते हैं. एंड 200 पिप्स का टारगेट. 200 pips you can target. 200 pips ज़्यादा होंगे. Maybe 150 pips. Uh, 15 minutes candle open हुआ है. 15 minutes candle open and let's be alert. Limit order place कर लेता हूँ मैं भी. I hope 60% को टच करे गिरने से पहले. एंड ऑल्सो थोड़ा एनालिसिस का भी कर लेते हैं. दिस इज 15 मिनट्स का. सो व्हाट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड मतलब फोरेक्स का व्हाट हैज हैपेंड इन लास्ट what what Fed was saying, what Powell is saying. So that has affected, which started at 8 p.m. by the way. Okay, let's go guys. Enter कर लेना. आपके लिए बस यहाँ पे एक पेपर ट्रेडिंग एक डाल देता हूँ. Just for your Excel. Okay, और I know this spread is very high guys. मतलब पेपर ट्रेडिंग में भी ये ज़्यादा स्प्रेड दे रहा है, but this is how it would look like. Let me give you SL. और this is for one lot by the way. One lot के लिए ऐसा होता है. But not ideal. Spread I'm getting spread of 10 pips. Anyways. Yeah, target 1500 on the 150 pips. Okay, let's see. It's a good SL what we have. At least we should. At least we should have. This is very. Yeah, this is blocking our view. But yeah, this is what the trade would look like. I have sold my designated quantity. First trade of the day, by the way. Sorry, this is my second trade of the day. First trade on the stream. Let's see how it pans out. 4555. Actually, यहाँ पे 45533 दिखा रहा है, but it's 555 guys. Enter at 555 and calculate from that. You can enter now as well. If you've just joined the stream, you can just enter at this point. Let's also see 5 minute what's happening there. I definitely don't want a 5 minute closer above this level because that would also be very difficult for me to handle. So ideally we don't want that. 60 कहाँ पे है? 60 is outside or TP. Sorry, sir. And news is affecting a lot. So kind of a risky trade, but can do. Yeah, 100 that the XY is falling. Still, gold is holding its position. थोड़ा risky है, a little risky, but 55 pips. Let's give it, guys. Those who have not entered, आप यहाँ पे से भी enter कर सकते हो. For 60, अगर if it goes to that range. I mean, very unlikely, but yeah, you can do that. Hmm. We're up actually. We are up. Wait. Okay, we just break even again. Let's go. 20 pips. Only 20 pips are there. Our risk. Let's also tap. Sorry. Let's also keep our risk-free level. Sorry. What I want to say is, let's mark our risk-free level, which would be around 49. Sorry, 49.5. Yeah, 49.5. 55 is what I entered, so 49.5 would be somewhere around here. Yeah, I think be risk-free, guys. Be risk-free. Let's go. Let's go. Uh, लगाते रहा वो चला गया. Risk-free, guys. Risk-free. 60 pips up. 60 pips up. Let's go. Give me just a minute. I will be back. But yeah, be risk-free, guys. Be risk-free. Welcome back, guys. Yeah, we did risk-free this trade, but let's hope it comes back. But yeah, this is a good trade actually. 15 minutes, and there's still hope. Yeah. How much did it give us? Around 100 pips, and it went back. But yeah, I think we can get around. Let me mark that as well. Where how much we will get? At least, we can get this 540. So 540 is around 130 pips. Fine, 130, 120 pips. We can target that much. That should be fine. Okay. TP 1200, 120 रख लेते हैं, right? We are risk free in this trade. Nothing to worry about. That's oh sorry, I did not risk free in this by the way. Uh, I know you. I don't know how to do that as well. Okay, how to book quantities. Okay, not close position. Hmm. This is very difficult. I think I should place another. Sorry, I should place a buy order. I guess is it? It's the at 55 pips. Let's put 50 units ka in this limit order. Limit order. Where do I want to put it? Around it 49. Yeah. So 48.7 makes sense. When I do that, it automatically it will take. I am hoping it will take my half of the quantities there. You're already risk free though, but still hoping will happen again. I hope it can. And yeah, at 500 pips right now. Sorry, 50 pips right now. You can see here 60 pips right now. Let's go. 60 pips है. Uh, so yeah, 5 minutes में you can see एक हो गया है, लेकिन 15 minutes में अभी तक कुछ दिखाया नहीं है. So 15 minutes में there's nothing it has shown us. Okay, limit order executed. So my 50% is gone. So that is how I want you to risk free, guys. So this is the same way. So now my 50% is gone and my SL is around here, and I booked the same quantity which I'm putting as my SL, which is 300. $300 मैंने book किया है. मतलब not in the real sense a paper trading है. This is not what I'm doing. My orders are placed in a different account. By the way, I'm just trying to show you what to do. Yeah, this is a very मतलब ज़्यादा ही मतलब this has a lot of spreads than we expected. But yeah, so the target is around as I told you 120 pips. You should be able to get that. If we can able to get that, that is a very good trade. And because we're targeting this only because we had a very good movement, a very good volatility till now, and as still I think I should put up the live that's happening, right? uh Fed Powell live. Yeah, so I think in that CNBC TV. 315 watching right now. And there's a Q&A happening right now. This Q&A could, matlab, it the market will only react when a good question comes along. And yeah, 15 minute mein red candle has been formed. Now it has no obligation for, let me see 1 hour. Also. Okay. 1 hour looks prominent. So 1 hour से it's this looks prominent. This TP whatever we set it, it looks prominent, guys. थोड़ा ऊपर कर सकते हैं. 120. So 120 pips we'll get. Let's do it above this. 120 pips. 120 pips कर लेते हैं, guys. Because there is a fair value gap cover that will happen after this. So I'm definitely hoping after that. अभी ये sorry 1 hour का opening हुआ है. 1 hour has opened. So bottom wick, I'm expecting a bottom wick, at least a bottom wick. So bottom wick could happen till 41, 41, 40 तक भी जा सकता है, but 41 तो at least. So our target is at here, which is 42. So 120 pips up, guys. Sorry, not 120 pips up. We're open. Sorry, let me go into lower time frames. 90 pips up. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 90 pips up. 90 pips up. 100 pips up, guys. 100 pips up. 100 pips up. टारगेट को सही सलामत रखना. मेरा स्प्रेड छोटा है तो I'm doing this. It's a very unideal way of trading, by the way, because we are very sharp. One thing you would know about trading maze is we are very sharp at our entries and exits. So this is very difficult for us. But yeah, very awesome trade, guys. Awesome trade. 100 pips up. You can book if you want to. Only 20 pips का more मिलेगा आपको. So awesome trade. If you want to book it, you can book it. Book मतलब I've been risk free, but I will book it at 120 pips only because I need to understand, right? So for my sakes, it's 120 pips. For your sakes, you can अभी भी कर सकते हो, which is 110 pips. 10 pips में क्या ही कर लोगे? And oh yeah, guys, 120 pips almost done. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 120 pips in the chat. Just like that. It took what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 20 minutes, but still, yeah. 120 pips in 20 minutes. I think that's around 6 pips second. Is it not? So 6 pips a minute. I think that's a good number anyway. But yeah, so I might this target did not hit, but it's over, guys. It's done. Let's close this. I don't know why it's showing like this. Yeah, done. How much have we made from this? I don't know, man. I have to see where that is. I've done this before, but yeah, I'm not getting where is my on the history? Yes, ancestry. Okay. So yeah, so we spread here. As you can see, 250. मतलब, $253. That is a one lot hit rate there. So that is around 53 pips, 55 pips. So so we want it to be 55 pips. It's around 55 pips. So 55 pips, and then we booked another $517 with the whole 120 pips, but still 500. But yeah, overall, if you are doing a trade, if you're trading with one lot, it's around $700. It's a little different to me because I don't trade with one lot. I do with multiple quantities. I'll tell you what that is, but yeah, did it very long ago, man. One trade where I'm okay. This is in BTC, I think. Is it? No, it's 6 years. Okay, sorry. Balance before and balance after. Okay. Yeah, this was a very good trade actually. This was the investing level which I was talking about. Yeah, as you can see, there you go, guys. Let's go. If you are still in this trade, I did told you that this could happen, but perhaps आप buy कर सकते हो scalp कर सकते हो guys, मतलब अब मैं यहाँ से उठाना is not very very difficult for me because yeah, I should have done it earlier. The I'll tell you why before I make any conclusions. This is what 50% is looking like, but bigger time frames में जाते हैं तो this is what 50% is. So I think it will come down. It will come down. मतलब एक रेड का ग्रीन कैंडल बनाएगा and नीचे आएगा guys. That's what I'm thinking. But this was the perfect trade. I wanted because why this is a perfect trade. One thing I will tell you is 1 hour का time frame का alignment है. Two, and when I look at 1 hour time frame, there is a I have come to the lower time frames. I find a order block here, which does not have a red candle here, and it's trying to make that zigzag way. See, this is what I was telling you. Buy from here. I told you, right? That's a scalp. So very very simple, guys. Very simple, easy है भाई. But we have to keep our mind to it. That's all. And let me see this. This is 50 to 60% level. I agree, but I need a selling point. I'm looking for a sell here. So here पे है. This is 47. I want to sell because even though today gold has been up after this move, at least a little selling is what I'm expecting. Or maybe it will give a very good candle, very good upside candle that it will take out a lot of it. But it will at least come down, guys. यहाँ तक तो आना है 34 तक तो आना है. So selling, I want to sell. I probably want to sell from here. This is what 46. Do it from here and give a good SL. Should be fine. 40 pips. 40 45 pips ka SL though and target this. Again 120 pips. Should be fine. That's a good trade. That's a actually good trade actually. Uh, that could work out. But I don't know. It might fall before that only. The way it's going right now. And 15 minute with candles. Yep. So let's do one thing. Let's do a buy here. 34 पर buy कर लेते हैं. It will work, guys. 34 पर buy कर लेते हैं. That is मतलब miss out कर लिया है selling and it did not reach our selling level. But yeah, buying less too. 40 pips का रखते हैं. Buying तो यहाँ तक जाएगा. buying तो अच्छा खासा जाएगा. Because people are waiting to buy. Go DXY is falling. Okay, it's going up, but still, uh, 1 hour time frame पे जाते हैं. Higher time frames. You should always align with higher time frames. So higher time frames looking not that good. Not that good, guys. Not that good. Hmm. Avoid करना, but scalp ले सकते हो. A small scalp. Probably 100 pips. 34 से 100 pips. 100 pips का scalp. But because I was thinking a more of a trade. Okay, where is it? Okay, here. More of a trade. I was thinking more of a trade, but yeah, I think that's not possible. This will be only not 150, but it will be somewhere around 90. 90 यूज कर लो. थोड़ा सा scalp है. It's not that risky. It's not that risky. So we can probably do this. Okay. 120 pips in the first trade, hoping to get 90 pips in the second one, and a good start of the week. Good start of the week. 120 pips up. Uh, but yeah, the way gold is going, we should be able to capture much more than that. Okay, sorry, I had a important message there. Hmm. करना है सेलिंग करना है guys, सेलिंग करना है. Let's do it. Let's do it from here only. ऐसा करते हैं. Sorry. Also, my laptop is running out of battery. I need to put that. 30 rupees का. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. 47 पे 47 पे करते हैं. 47 करो 30 उसका सर बताओ. I am not putting this now because I don't know if it will execute or not. It's a very difficult thing. This one. But yeah, let's do it again. Anyways. Hmm. थोड़ा नीचे रखना है क्या? Okay. Okay, fine. So, but 47 guys, 47. 4547. Place limit order here. Let's go. Yeah, entered. Entered guys. Entered. Let's go. यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रहा है but we have entered. 47 आ गया. I am entered. I hope you are too. थोड़ा spreads का ये हो सकता है आपसे. I am entered guys. In my charts 47 is done. So keep in mind that 47 हो गया. थोड़ा नीचे भी कर लो क्या है दिक्कत है. Open and yeah 20 pips 15 pips up. वो नहीं दिखा रहा. दिखाएगा नहीं वो. 15 pips up. But more we would need 30 pips. So 20 pips more to risk free. This one should be यहाँ पे भाई 120 pips कर लो. 120 pips कर लो guys this one. Because my bias is selling now at this point of time, not ideally in gold, but yeah, this point of time I'm trying to sell because 1 hour I still didn't get a red candle. So I'm definitely safe 48 say because it will need to form a red candle because I'll tell you why. It's a order block now. Now this is a point where it would form that, right? Ideally. So if that order block is gone, matlab red candle form ho gaya in next 45 minutes it's gone, then it's no point for me to be in this trade. If it closed here also, I will close. 48 पे मतलब 10 pips के ऊपर close किया तो भी I should close. So higher time frames alignment is that's why I would always tell you higher time frames alignment than I have. That's the one. So 28 pips up, guys. 30 pips up. Let's go. Risk free, guys. Risk free. Risk free in the second trade. Let's go risk free. Risk free कर लेना. 30 उसका SL दिया है. रिस्क फ्री कर लेना. लेट्स गो. यहाँ पे भी कर लेता हूँ मैं. पता नहीं कैसे बट या बाई रखना है 50 पॉइंट्स का एंड मार्केट पे एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे व्हेन वी सी अ गुड 350 ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा तो आई विल डू इट मैन्युअली ऑफ कोर्स. बट रिस्क फ्री हो जाना guys, रिस्क फ्री हो जाना. Okay, because these trades are little bit risky, so इस पे risk भी होना ही है हमें. This will be the last trade guys, and let me put charging to my laptop. It's almost dead. Hmm. Okay, SL नहीं रखा है. SL भी रख लेते हैं. Spreads तो बहुत है भाई. What are these spreads? I don't understand. But anyways, we are risk free in this trade. Let me put risk free here. I know it's a little bit clumsy. Let's put this trade here. कर सकते ये scalp भी कर सकते हो when that happens. But let's concentrate on these two. And I'm seeing a lot of this. Hmm, yeah, fine. Also, if you want to see Fibonacci, you can look at it in this one. 50 to 60% का level है, so मिल जाएगा guys. Not to worry, but maybe it will take some time. But I hope with Powell speaking and all, we'll get faster trades. Just before us, we had this kind of movement. Whenever closing like this happened, I always told you sell karna. Whenever closing like this happened, even though there's an order block. And ये breaker block हुआ, ये breaker block जो फिर कब टेस्ट किया है, पीछे नीचे आया. Good that the breaker block is working after a long time, by the way. Okay, and yeah, guys, we're back again. Let's go. 30 pips up. फिर से कर लो रिस्क फ्री. फिर से मत करो, एक ही बार करना होता है रिस्क फ्री. बाई करना है, सॉरी. 350 दिखेगा तो I'll do it guys. I'll buy 50%. Yeah, let's go. I did it. It's around 400 or something. Yeah, that's how we should approach this. And अब मैं $200 मतलब 40 whips, 40 whips book किया है, ideally, right? So now I'm giving 30 whips correct. So whatever that 10 pips, I'm going to keep it anyway. मतलब I'm not losing anything. I'm losing zero. Even my SL gets cut out. I'm keeping a 30 whips SL, but I have booked 40 whips already. So that's a plus point to me. So even if I lose this trade, I'm going to be 10 pips up. Okay, as simple as that. ये a good moment guys. ऐसा वाला moment आ जाए ना तो बढ़िया रहेगा. Next 15 minute कब open है? Oh, this is the next 15 minute, and also it gave a top wick. Come on guys, come on buddy, let's go. नीचे आ जा, क्या ही करेगा ऊपर. Hmm. Come on, come on, come on. फिर से 120 विप्स टारगेट कर रहे हैं. Let's see. 120, 120. Any significance? Mhm. If we hit this trade guys, 240 whips हो जाएगा तो सही रहेगा मतलब a good day on Monday मतलब Monday we don't expect a lot of volatility anyway, but tomorrow, whatever tomorrow, let's see tomorrow if we have any news. As per me, I don't know. I don't think we have any. Yeah. No, no, there is there is job openings. Not that that's not a very good red folder news. Whereas Wednesday को है सही वाला. Non-farm employment change, core retail sales, and ISM manufacturing. So Wednesday we can see a good volatility. And gold has stabilized now at this point. अभी थोड़ा stabilize हुआ है gold. Hmm, wait करवा रहा है भाई. Maybe it will form a green candle in 15 minutes. But anyways, I'll let you know what happens with this trade because I have something else to attend to. No, not to worry. We are risk free in this trade, and even if we lose this trade, we'll be 10 pips up. So not to worry anything about that. But still, it's a very good trade. So let's go 120 pips in the chat in first 20 minutes only. So I think that's a very good trade. The first trade we took just entering into the stream, we took that trade, and it was a W. And this trade also, I'm hoping it will be W. It can give us what we need and even a lot more because expecting bearish momentum all around and expecting actually to take this low out 526 520 ka. So I think it should be able to give that, but the initial stage of that consolidation is what we are stuck in. Anyways, we are risk free. Bye bye, take care. Let me put the TP also. I don't know how accurate will this be. Okay, so if you are doing trading with one lot, you would have made $700 in the first trade. 700 guess. Wait, 120 pips is 1200, but wait, you booked half at 55 pips. So it's 55, 50, it's 225, 275, 275 plus 65. Hmm. Wow, I'm ahead of this. Anyway, 900 actually. I'm not bad at math, by the way. 900 pips. $900. You would have made $900 in the first trade. In the second trade, in the same way, if we hit this also, but SL is a lesser this time. So क्या होगा ना कि 30 pips में we have booked to 50% quantity, which is what 30 मतलब 150. 150 plus whatever we got 70, 20, 90. 150 plus 450. Is it? 50 plus 450. Makes sense. 650 something, 600, around 600. So I think 900 plus 600, something around $1,500. That's a good amount actually. That's a salary of a very good average engineer who is working as a 30-year-old or 25-year-old is. He's earning that much amount in a month. You're doing it in a less than a hour stream, less than 40-minute stream. That's really crazy, guys. See the power of trading, right? How it changes your life. But yeah, it takes a lot of time, of course, to understand all of this and all of mastering yourself. That's something else. But when you do that, these kind of things will be very easy. Now 60 pips up, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I will be leaving in 5 minutes. Whatever we'll get out of this. But yeah, very good session, guys. Made a lot of pips, and I'm hoping one lot traders would get around $1,500 today, which is a very crazy amount for 1 hour, 1 hour trading. Just and if you're doing with two lot, it's double of that amount. But that is why risk free is such a great way of trading, and it works out a lot of times, guys. So be keep risk freeing yourselves, but you can do more trades, and you can be risk free in those trades as well. And you can, even if I lose in this trade, I'm getting 10 pips. So that is how you should manage the trade. It's not like I'm losing all the 30 pips, which I made, which makes me like 120 minus 30, 90 pips on the day. Not that, but I'm making 120 plus 10 pips by losing this trade. So that should be your goal. That should be how we should approach this. Okay. 80 pips, almost 80 pips up, guys. 80 pips in the chat. Let's go. 80 pips up in the chat. TP रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे हो जाना चाहिए, but yeah, it will happen, guys. No, not to worry. But yeah, if you want to book, you can book at here. 80 से book कर सकते हो, and it's already 10 o'clock. So I have something else to attend to. But yeah, great session, guys. Great session. We'll come back tomorrow the same, but you can do that scalp, that selling, buying the scalp. I'm telling you, but it's a little risky. I don't want to, matlab 30 pips risk. It's a 1:3 trade, I know, but still, I'm giving 30 pips and I'm getting only 90 pips. That's not how we do it. If you see the current trades, I'm uh, giving 30 pips and gaining 120 pips. So this is 1:4, 1:3.5 would be what ideally is. 1:3 is still fine. Still fine. You can do that trade as well. Okay. Great session, guys. 1.5 minute to go, and in the meantime, let's see what we can do, what we can predict more. 1 hour पे जाना है मुझे. 1 hour is such a good time frame. I think most of us misunderstood that. It's a very good time frame, by the way. Hmm. If you use it properly, it's a very awesome time frame. 4 hour का या 4 hour का क्या ही बताऊँ. It's a difficult time frame. It can give you what you need sometimes, but sometimes it won't. So yeah, is that. And bullish in the higher time frames though. Bullish in the higher time frames, but in the time being, it's selling. Bullish in the higher time, but I cannot tell you what the bottom will be. So bullish, but unknown on what the next will be. But yeah, but sorry, we've told this, no, not this, by the way. यहाँ पे कहीं पे है. Hmm. यहाँ पे कहीं पे. I'll tell you where that is, because that we were talking about this some time back. What will replicate what करके. So let me get back to you. It was something around here. 230 के around we should buy, and it will form a very good green candle, and then it will fall. So that is what we're expecting. And we're the trade is closed, guys. Let's go. क्या बात है? Let's go. Let's go. Buying का scalp risky है, but कर सकते हो, guys. I'm not doing it, but please do it. If you मतलब if you want to, you can do it. 240 pips in the chat, in the single stream, making monthly salary of a very senior engineer, senior manager as well. It's a very cool thing, right? Yeah, if you are in this trade, be risk free 33 से 36 तो चला गया. So 80 90 उसका ऐसा TP रखना, as I said. Okay, let's go. 50 विप्स अभी निकालो भाई. अभी निकालो 50 60 विप्स अप हो. तो 50 विप्स अप, 60 विप्स अप. लेट्स गो. लेट्स गो. क्या स्कैल्प भाई, क्या स्कैल्प मारा है. लेट्स गो भाई. मैंने नहीं किया है. अब मेरे को फोमो हो रहा है. आई हैव नॉट डन दिस बिकॉज putting a order is a effort. It's a effort, but yeah, when you're मतलब क्या होता है ना, when you're exiting from order and just entering into a opposite side, it's very exciting, but still it's very risky whenever we do it. Still 60 pips up book कर सकते हो यहीं पे if you want. 300 pips if I count this as well. 300 pips in the chat in one stream. Awesome stream, guys. Let's go. Bye bye. Take care. मजे से ट्रेड करना, ट्रेड विद मजे. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll conquer the markets. Okay, बाय बाय guys. Let's go. इसका भी टीपी हिट हो जाएगा अभी. हाँ हो गया guys. 80 पिप्स चल रहा है. 80 पिप्स चल रहा है और 10 ही पिप है. 10 ही नहीं, 5 ही पिप है. निकाल दो guys, मतलब निकाल दो. हो गया निकाल दो guys. 80 पिप्स तो निकाल दो. 80 पिप्स से निकाल दो guys. Let's go. 320 pips if you done the that trade, last trade as well. Awesome. Let's go. Bye bye. We'll see you tomorrow.